Okay guys, I'm back again. So we just keep filming. I know.
I think it's another bridge across, maybe.
We just keep filming. So now we're going to. Where is the other? You see, guys, the bridge.
There's a walking trail here. This is something new.
This is new. So this is a walking trailer here. Oh, that is so pretty. So, so South Jersey Port. Are you guys, if you see it, it's a South Port. South Jersey Port Camden. So yeah, so that's the other side is New Jersey. So ayan, condo dito sa parang mga parang mga ship. Yeah. In the middle of the set. Alright guys, we're gonna across this one soon. So ito yung so guys, we are gonna across.
Push that button right there, Gina, the Filipina.
Guys, kung gusto mo mag-across dito sa US, push lang. Don't across. Wait until green. So
that sign over there says do not walk.
yeah.
You know what? Nothing's coming, so we're gonna walk.
Ang dami bunakbok daw, pero walang
They don't have a trolley.
I know.
See?
Yeah.
It's not gonna be the.
Where they going though?
I think these are cherry trees in the springtime. Cherry blossom trees.
Can we go? Tara.
Yep.
So guys, to South Street.
See the sign right there, guys, where it says South Street?
That's
South Street is another popular area in Philadelphia.
yeah.
You guys are getting the full Philadelphia tour.
Yeah.
Lenny loves Gina, and Gina the Filipina. Wow.
Yep. So guys, ayan. I'll see you there.
So yeah, we gotta make our turn first. See how we come out.
Hindi ko na naman siya na-record. Ano ba yan? Lagi na lang nalilimutan. So, ayan guys. Andito na kami ngayon sa other side of South Street. So, ito yun guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Evergreen. Uphill guys. Uphill, akyat sa bundok. Mamaya. So, hingal-hingal din pag may time. Ayan na siya. So, ayan. Oh! So guys, ito pala i-extend nila ang bridge dito. Simula dito hanggang doon i-extend nila. So, ayan, maganda hindi na maglalakad sa uphill. So you guys see it, Penn's Landing. The other one is South Street. Now we are leaving a Penn's Landing. And now, person now we're walking. Tatlong person siya naglalakad in the bridge. So now we are headed to South Street. See guys, South Street. Whew, it's so nice here. Yep. Hi, Julian. Sis. Hi, Julian. Sis. Dito kami sa South Street. Naglalakad kami. Galing kami Pennsylvania. Hi, Ann. Hi, Carlo. Hi, Steve. So, ayan. Of course, hi, my husband.
Hey.
So, be careful. So he walks with. So. Oh, the barbershop is too far on. Just in case my husband wanna go here.
Get a good haircut here, guys, if you're ever interested.
So, oh, look at these guys. They have a Japanese.
It's Japanese here.
Hawaii!
Wow.
Oh,
Oh, look at those fried oysters. That looks good there,
look at
guys.
some.
Oh, Lilikoi. Mahalo Hawaiian barbecue for the task force here.
Yeah, are they open?
Mahalo chicken bites,
Whoa.
Kahlua pork and barbecue.
Let's go. They are open too. Oh, look, asawa Kahlua pork.
I
Look,
know.
we are in Hawaii.
Ooh, a loco moco. Garlic shrimp.
Go to the island of the
Macano.
octopus of Mahalo. We wanna see. So this is the
The prices are good too. $10.99.
wanna take home.
I just want a lily koi.
You want some Kahlua pork or Hawaiian? What is it called?
Maybe next time since we just ate. Watch out.
Behind you. Okay. Oh, here's the. So first we are eating. So this is try to show you guys the South Street of Philadelphia.
Oh, the Poke restaurant too.
Oh, you got so many Hawaiian things now. Hold on. Guys, ang South Street ay isang party area dito sa downtown Philadelphia. The South Street. So, you guys, if you wanna have a party, go come here in Philadelphia. And South Street. There are a lot of different food here. So, restaurant. Smells good. Yeah. Turkish grill, lamb gyros. So guys, maybe this month we are going to Australia, or next week we have a plan to fly in Europe, guys. So we try to go somewhere in Europe next week. So we can try because we have days off. So we can apply somewhere next week. So let us know, guys, where you wanna go.
Oh, guys, look at that. There's Rita's. We have to check that. Rita's is one of the most famous
Water ice.
places in Philadelphia. As soon as we can tell.
So guys, dito sa South Street, paunahan ang parking lot. If you gonna paunahan, mahirap ang parking lot dito. Yeah, you too?
We're going to try to get you as much of South Street as possible.
Yeah.
But once that battery dies, we're going to have to cut it, guys. We're going to try to stretch it all the way to the end.
Yeah, guys, our battery is about to die because
this is 3rd Street here.
Next time, every time we come down to Rockaway, we always bring my backup battery. But not this time because
They got a chop cheese.
You wanna get some?
I'm full. We still got that burrito.
Okay, oh, that's right. Okay, so it's gonna be wala na. Alan. Yeah, Hawaiian drinks. Oh, look at the pizza. Ooh, that must be really good. The line is long. Remember that? We are not New York, eh? So remember. Where? What is the automat? Oh, really? So guys, the rock dumpling shop. No, somebody in there. Oh, look, Adela looks good.
That looks real good, huh?
Okay. Yeah. Golden White Smash Burger. So yeah, guys. This one you do. Yeah.
How's your battery doing?
Tingnan. Yeah. So, so guys, I try to save our battery. I mean, we're trying to show you as possible because our battery is going to die soon. So, smells good.
Sure does. Like a Philly cheesesteak.
Oh, that's why. Too cheesesteak. Oh my goodness, it smells good.
And I think I'm gonna get that chopped cheese.
Oh, chopped cheese. I want to go back to the.
That was a different chopped cheese.
I want to go back to the Hawaiian restaurant. Brown skin.
Oh, there's chicken. That's a red light.
Oh, James. So James is the famous cheese steak in South Street.
Yep, that's a good one. As far as that goes,
Huh? Huh?
Jim's is a good cheesesteak spot.
Oh, so guys, James, sister and I were supposed to be take this one, but we take the good one. This is the best. This is the best cheesesteak too in Philadelphia. Oh, it's good to the schnapps.
So this one really felt like a roll.
I know.
Yeah, guys, you know, we live here. We never come here. So this is kind of fun, you know, for us.
Yeah. So it's like we always first time in like this place.
We have a good Mexican restaurant.
The glasses here. Oh guys, we're gonna go to Snipes.
You know your husband, huh?
I know. What is that dress? Yeah.
Another one.
I forgot. Hello guys, we are back now. We are finished the flying the South Street of Penn Landing, so we are going from Penn Landing.
Like where do we start at? 19th Street.
Yeah.
Went all the way up to Old City, Philadelphia.
Yep.
Did Penn's Landing and came down South Street.
Yep.
And if you look here, we're at the Broad Street line.
So there's.
And we're about to go home.
So Broad Street line. So guys, we're about to go home. So this is the Broad Street line, guys. Hopefully, guys, you enjoyed my tour for you guys. I appreciate your help all the time. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, guys. Today is going home. So we are now in subway to catch to go home. I mean to the trolley line. So guys, this is my husband. He's traveling to.
Had a good time today, guys. We
Yeah.
to dinner.
Yeah, we have a good time today, but we don't wear shoes, so my foot is hindi nasanay sa chanelas ko. So, like, we're getting tired. It's all shoes, everything here.
She's got me used to flip-flops. We got flip-flops.